Hi, Dr. Hager.
Hi.
Let's return to the community impact article on exercise and do some further analyses of the data.
I had an idea.
Okay, let's hear it.
So what if I wanted to use the information in the article to do something else? What if I wanted a different number that wasn't there? So here was the idea that I had. The article does a very interesting job breaking out the calories per hour for people of different sizes, right? But what if for whatever reason I just wanted to know a single number for running 7 miles per hour? What if I wanted to think about the average human being? Think about all the people on the planet. What does the average person burn per hour running 7 miles an hour?
Great question. Using the data given, we only have 3 types of people shown. 100-pound person, 150, 200. So
I feel like that covers a lot of adults,
that covers a lot. So let's just go with that and take the average of those 3 data points.
Oh, good enough. Okay.
Okay. So recall that mean is the sum of all the numerical data divided by the number of data points.
So that's the kind of average we're going to do.
That's the type of average we're going to do here.
Okay.
So we see that for each of these 3 types of people, a 100-pound person jogging and running 7 miles per hour is going to burn 610 calories per hour.
Okay.
A 150-pound person jogging and running at this rate will burn 920 calories per hour.
Okay.
And finally, a 200-pound person jogging at 7 miles per hour burns 1,230 calories per hour.
Got it. So add those up.
Add those 3 numbers and divide by 3, and we get a mean of 920 calories per hour. So we could estimate that a person will burn 920 calories per hour if they jog or run at 7 miles per hour.
Again, if I wanted that simplified single number to just carry around in my head, that might be something that I do.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, another question we might want to ask is what would be the median calories a 150-pound person would burn doing any one of these 12 activities shown?
I guess. So I guess I see myself wanting to know that if I were, say, using this article to select an activity.
Exactly.
So maybe I want to pick something that's not too easy and not too hard. So I'm going to pick the one that's exactly in the middle.
Exactly.
Okay.
Recall median is when you take your data, you line them up in numerical order, you pick the value that's right in the middle.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to look at the 150-pound person as depicted in this article, each of these 12 activities, and list out all the calories per hour they would burn in the 12 activities.
So all 12 numbers just in a pile.
In a pile.
Okay.
But then we take them and we order them from smallest to largest.
Ooh, I like that visualization. Okay.
Okay. And now there are 12 numbers, so there's not one that's exactly in the middle. So we look at the 6th and 7th number.
Okay.
And those 6th and 7th numbers, we would normally take their mean to find their middle value between the 2 of them. But here, in this set of data, the 6th and 7th numbers are equal. They're both 410 calories per hour.
So I think that's kind of weird that sometimes you use the mean to find the median.
Indeed.
Crazy. I know. Okay, so you're saying that we would add those 2 numbers and divide by 2 to find the number in the middle. But it's kind of cool that the numbers are equal, so we get out of doing that work.
Right, and so here we take 410 calories per hour to be our median.
So I feel like then that actually means there are 2 different exercises that are winners here.
Yeah, so let's go back to our data and see what were the 2 exercises that had burned 410 calories per hour for this person.
Looks like our winners are biking really fast and swimming really fast.
Yeah, bicycling 12 miles per hour or swimming at 50 yards per minute both burn 410 calories per hour for this 150-pound person.
Okay, good to know.
Good to know if you're choosing your exercises. So now you'll be working some Chapter 9 Mindscapes, and let's think about what you need to know to accomplish those. You need to understand the concepts we've seen as we delved into this news article about exercise, data visualization, mean and median.
So mean and median are specific mathematical terms with specific formulas that go with them, right?
Yes.
Data visualization is a broader concept, but one really cool way that you use that was just arranging those 12 numbers vertically. And it looks so cool, and you're like, oh, the median is right there. So that's one obvious way to use data visualization to your advantage.
Yes, to organize your data and get to your answer.
Absolutely.
So remember how we gathered data from that article, put it in one place? In the previous video, we saw that we had to do some conversions. You do what you need to do with the data. You use it, you get your answer, and you show that. Maybe it's drawing out your data in the line as we did for the median calculation, and showing your calculation.
I agree.